In this video, I'll guide you through how to link to a section on a different page in Webflow. This process is quite straightforward once you get the hang of it, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly connect different areas of your Webflow project, making navigation a breeze for your users. To start, open your web browser and head over to webflow.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. This is your central hub for managing all your Webflow projects, so make sure you're comfortable with the interface. Next, you'll want to select the site you're working on from your dashboard. Simply find the project thumbnail and click on it to open the site. This will take you into the Webflow Designer, which is where all the magic happens. Now look to the left side of the screen and locate the Navigator panel. This tool is essential as it shows the hierarchy and structure of your site, allowing you to easily find different elements and sections. Click on the Navigator to expand it. Within the Navigator, scroll through the list of elements until you find the section you want to link to. Click on this section to select it. It's important to ensure that you've selected the correct section, as this is the destination you'll be linking to from another page. Once the section is selected, you need to focus on the element you'll be using as the link. This could be a button, a text link, or any clickable element. Select this element by clicking on it in either the Navigator or directly in the design view. With the element selected, look to the right side of the screen for the settings panel and click on the gear icon. This brings up the element settings where you can customize various attributes of the element, including its link settings. In the settings panel, you'll see an option labeled Page Section. Click on it. This option allows you to designate a specific section on another page as the link destination. Finally, a drop-down menu will appear listing all the sections available to link to. Carefully select the section that you want your element to point to. This step is crucial as it determines where users will land when they click the link, and there you have it. You've successfully linked to a section on a different page in Webflow. Make sure to test your link by publishing the site and clicking through to ensure everything works smoothly. This feature is incredibly useful for creating a more interactive and user-friendly experience on your website by guiding visitors to exactly where they need to be without them having to scroll or search. Hopefully, this guide has made the process clear and simple for you. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher or if you're setting up links on a new project. Thanks for watching and happy designing.